Hi, my name is Austin Scott. This little presentation is a little bit about me. So here we go. All right, although I'm your classmate at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, I've never been to Nebraska, let alone Lincoln. I'm an English and journalism teacher in the Chicagoland area of Illinois at Lake Forest High School in Lake Forest, Illinois. Logo on the left is our school logo for the Lake Forest Scouts. The logo on the right is the logo for our school newspaper, the Forest Scout. Go ahead and check it out, www.theforestscout.com. Just don't judge me entirely on the writing of 15-year-olds. A little about me section here. Major life event happened this summer. I got engaged. This is in our hometown of Chicago, Illinois, on July 8th, 2017. It may look like bliss, but a lot of planning went into this day. As you can see, we're on a sailboat in Lake Michigan. That's my beautiful fiance, Kelly Barrett. She is a math teacher, so we're bridging the brain together with English and math. Our upcoming wedding is on July 20th, 2018, in Chicago, Illinois. That's one part of our engagement shoot there in downtown Chicago. I look really transfixed on nothing there, and she is smiling happily at something in the distance. I can't tell you what it is. I don't remember. There was a lot of pictures taken that day. I come from a family of education. That's me on the left. I am an English teacher. My fiance Kelly is a math teacher. My father, Dave Scott, was a PE and driver's ed teacher for 35 years at Maine South High School. My mom, next to him, was a family consumer science teacher, then a dean, and then an administrator. She was the principal at Fremd High School and Libertyville High School. So we have like a little charter school family there, all in different areas of study. And then my sister and her boyfriend Mark aren't in education, so we talk to them as little as possible at family gatherings. All right, so passions of mine. Obviously basketball is what I'm going to talk about. That's me, the young man on the left there with my Michael Jordan outfit, my Michael Jordan jersey and shoes and everything else. My dad was the varsity basketball coach at Maine South High School for many years, so I learned the life lessons of winning and losing and everything that goes along with that as I grew up. Those lessons learned as a youngster was then formulated into my career. I'm a high school basketball coach now. I'm the assistant varsity basketball coach at Lake Forest High School. This is our team down here. They look good, don't they? They look tough. All right, so some of my favorite bands, musicians. The one featured here is American Grizzly. You've probably never heard of them. They're a local Chicago band. I encourage you to check them out at American Grizzly on Spotify. Great kind of indie roots folk rock band. Other favorites include Tom Petty, may he rest in peace, Bob Seger, Van Morrison, Susan Tedeschi, and my contemporary favorite right now is Eric Church. All right, one word to describe myself. I chose consistency. I'm a firm believer that the best ability is reliability, and consistency in your effort, in projects, and tasks, big and small. All right, so lastly, why am I in journalism grad school and what I hope to get out of JGRD903? Primarily, I'm just looking to become a better writer, a better editor of other people's writing, understand the nuances of the journalism business. Ultimately, why I'm in journalism grad school, I'm looking to pursue a career either when I'm complete in education or during the summers in my educational career. Obviously, it would be wonderful to work at a magazine as reputable as Sports Illustrated. I realize that's not often how it starts, but that's you know, the far-off dream for a 29-year-old aspiring journalist. So thank you.